Have you ever received a notice from a company offering you the chance to buy more shares at a discount? That is a rights offering. To understand why companies do this, we first have to talk about dilution, which happens when a company issues new shares. Companies usually offer these shares at a discount to the current market price to encourage current investors to participate. You get a specific number of rights based on how many shares you already own. You then have a limited window to exercise them. If you ignore a rights offering, your percentage of ownership in the company drops. Exercising them helps you maintain your stake. Think of it as a choice. You are either buying more to keep your slice of the pie the same size or letting it shrink. Always read the prospectus before acting. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics.